Respected Chief Guest Major General Khondokar Mohammad Shahidul Imran, NDC, AFWC, PSC, MPhil, Commandant Bangladesh Military Academy.
Of the young cadets of one of the finest educational institutions in Bangladesh. August gathering. Cadet colleges are unique institutions where young minds are carefully shaped and hidden talents are brought to life, preparing cadets to take the nation to greater heights. Through a balanced blend of academic and co-curricular activities, education is delivered in its truest form, producing disciplined, honest, responsible, and patriotic citizens, well guarded against all forms of prejudice. I am confident that these games and sports meet has further strengthened the bonds of unity, camaraderie, and fraternity among cadets, parents, and staff. Our future leaders have displayed remarkable skill, dedication, and mastery over the games, inspiring optimism and confidence in the nation's next generation. Truly, events like these give meaningful expression of the mission, vision, and purpose of the Cadet College system, reflecting its commitment to developing disciplined, capable, and well-rounded citizens. Dear cadets, sports play a vital role in shaping both body and mind, instilling discipline, teamwork, leadership, and the spirit of fair play. What I witnessed today was not merely athletic performance, but a powerful display of excellence, cooperation, and character. Your enthusiasm, sportsmanship, and team spirit were truly commendable and reaffirmed your commitment to all-round development. You have proven that true victory lies not only in winning but in participating with honesty, courage, and unity. As you move forward in life, ignite the joy of learning and believe firmly in your own potential. Remember that patience, determination, courage, confidence, and integrity are the enduring qualities that lead to lasting success. Knowledge and skills may change with time, but strong values, sound character, empathy, and responsibility will guide you through every challenge. Stay positive, for optimism and strong character turn every challenge into achievement and prepare you to serve the nation with honor. Dear cadets, as you prepare for roles of responsibility, remember that true leadership begins with self-discipline. Honesty and integrity are the foundations of character and command respect. Do not be misled by harmful temptations or shortcuts that weakens your values and waste your potential. Guard your self-respect, strengthen your self-control, and choose the path of discipline and purpose. What you do when no one is watching defines who you truly are. Never compromise with lies, cheating, or dishonesty. Courage in life means standing for truth even when it is difficult. Your action will speak louder than your words. Lead by example, live with integrity, and let your character inspire others to follow the right path. Strengthen your faith and maintain reverence for the Almighty Creator. This moral compass will keep you disciplined and free from corruption. Dear cadets, you are the finest among the nation's youth, the chosen few, selected through a rigorous system of examinations and training. The country invests immense resources, care, and commitment in your education to shape you as future leaders. This privilege carries a solemn responsibility. You must feel the urgency to repay this trust through excellence, integrity, and dedicated service to the nation. Always reflect on how your conduct, achievements, and contributions justify the faith and effort the nation has placed in you, and strive to contribute meaningfully to the progress and development of our beloved nation. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, I would like to commend the principal of Huzurhat Cadet College for her tireless dedication and unwavering leadership in steering the institution towards excellence in every sphere. I also extend my sincere appreciation to the esteemed faculty members and staff for their commitment, discipline, and spirit of innovation, which have collectively elevated the college to greater heights. The reputation this institution enjoys for academic excellence and holistic development is truly commendable, and you all have every reason to take deep pride in this achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon has been a truly delightful and memorable experience for me. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who contributed to making this event so vibrant and colorful. I am especially thankful for the thoughtful gift I received as a token of your affection. It will always remind me of this special day. It has been an honor and a pleasure to be in the company of such talented, disciplined, and inspiring cadets and staff. I will cherish these moments for years to come and wish Huzurhat Cadet College continued success, growth, and glory in all its endeavors. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May Almighty Allah bless us all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wisdom and for your captivating words, and also for blessing on today's occasion. Surely the cadets will be highly motivated by your words.
আমি ফৌজহাট ক্যাডেট কলেজের আন্তঃহাউস বার্ষিক ক্রীড়া প্রতিযোগিতা 2025-এর সমাপ্তি ঘোষণা করছি।
Now, photo session of the runner-up and the champion house with our special guest, with our chief guest, will take place. For that, I'd like to request respected principal and the concerned house officials of champion and runner-up house to kindly join the photo session. At first, the runner-up house, Robindra House.